really good lighting in this bathroom, and there's shelves, which I really like. And here's the shower. It's a rainfall shower, but there's also the handheld piece as well, and it's all of the Aveda Rosemary Mint products, so they feel amazing. It's like a spa. And out here we have full-length mirror, my favorite part. And here's the main room. This is a king suite pool view. They just made up our bed and put our nice robes up here. Love the waffle knit robes. We have a big TV, little desk, little cube to sit on. And we have a little chair here. So we've got a closet where the lights turn on when you open it. And then we've got a safe up there and a fridge down there. A little espresso machine. And we'll show you the balcony. We have room 102, so we are literally right here, which is great. We don't have to really take an elevator to get here. So we've got a view of the pool. We've got these privacy screens here. But yeah, we can see the whole pool over here, but it's a great vibe out here.